Can you really pay somebody to pick up dog poop? Yes, you absolutely can. If you live here in Michigan, a lot more people are doing it than you might think. Look, if you have a dog, you already know how fast the dog poop adds up. You clean the yard, a couple days later, it's right back to where it started. Life gets crazy busy. You're working, running errands, taking care of the kids, trying to enjoy your weekend, and scooping the yard usually ends up at the bottom of the list. And here in Michigan, it gets even tougher. We deal with snow, freezing temperatures, rain, mud, and then the spring hits and all of a sudden, everything that has been hiding under the snow shows up at once. That's exactly why dog poop removal services exist. Companies like Poopin Scoopin come out to your house and handle the dog poop for you. Most customers choose weekly service, which means we show up, we walk your yard carefully, we scoop up all the dog poop, bag it up, and leave your yard clean and ready for your family and your dogs. No stress, no mess, no stepping outside and realizing you forgot to clean up the yard again. And honestly, once people start using our service, the one thing we hear the most is, "I should have done it sooner," because the difference is huge. Your yard stays clean, your dog can run freely, and you don't have to spend your weekend dealing with the dog poo. And if you live in Michigan, especially after the long winter, that first cleanup alone can make your yard feel like brand new again. So yes, you absolutely can pay somebody to pick up the dog poo. And for a lot of homeowners, it's one of those simple services that just makes life easier. If you're in Michigan and you're ready to stop worrying about what's hiding in your backyard, click the link down below to request a free quote or call us at 734-658-1246 to learn more and see if we service your area.